Welcome to Andy Analytics Content Catalog, your always on library of post ideas, ready whenever inspiration runs low. This is where you'll find hundreds of ready to use post ideas, curated and categorized, so you can keep your content fresh, relevant, and consistent. Andy's already done the hard work for you. By monitoring the web, looking for content relevant to your brand that's trending online, Andy's never short of ideas for you. When you land on the catalog, you'll be greeted with a couple of different options. So first, Andy's categorized the content and grouped it based on the objective it can be used for. So for example, educational posts, which may be about industry white papers, for example, or it may be about something of interest to your customer. So Andy uses this content, monitoring the internet, looking for this content to collate it here for you, where you can quickly come along and say, I want to create an educational piece, and Andy's already categorized it for you. Engagement, again, this is about engaging with your user. This will be content that will likely get an engagement, a like, a share, something like that. Promotional, this is your product list. This is where Andy knows all about your products already. So you effectively have them in your catalog for you to quickly say, I want to talk about this product or that product, and quickly turn around content to post on multiple different platforms. Lastly, you have personal. This content is personal content. This is about your company values, why you do what you do. These kind of things allow you to stay authentic as a business while also ensuring that your products get promoted and the user receives value. The customer receives value at the end of it. Lastly, we have a button up here, which is for adding topics to your catalog. So here you come in and you just select what type of content it is. You then paste in a link if you wish to. You don't even need to write anything inside the background information. Andy will look at this link if you've provided one and will get the information from that link for you already and add it to his catalog. If you want to add anything yourself, always can add it into the background information. Lastly, there's an import for bulk importing of ideas. This is because a lot of the times companies already have existing social media content calendars, which are stored in Excel documents. So you can add this quickly to Andy's knowledge base into its catalog by just uploading here. Once this content has been added to Andy's catalog, it will become available in the Andy content plan and the Andy content calendar and Andy content timeline sections. This will allow you to quickly use this content to generate posts later on multiple different platforms. Thank you very much. And in the next section, we will go through the content plan and talk about how these ideas actually get added to your strategic content plan moving forward.